Alright everybody, welcome back to the garage. So as summer is here, we know that grass is growing faster than ever. Unfortunately, my mower back here has crapped out on me. So today we are going to be putting a new engine on there, a nice big old motor, somewhere back there with all these projects. I think we're going to go with that V-twin. I've used it for many other projects and it hasn't failed me yet. Let's see what we can do with this stupid thing. So the original prop mount from the mower was actually fitted for a 7/8 shaft, I think. So I had to cut it off and then weld it onto this pulley that I have that is actually for 3/4 inch. The reason I did that was because I'm going to be utilizing this thing, basically a transfer, like a power transfer from horizontal to vertical. That's going to be like this. We're going to have our prop like that. And then I'll have our engine, because it's a horizontal shaft engine, I'm gonna have to have that thing running a chain to one of these sides here. So here's the lawnmower without the engine on it, and basically this guy is gonna be plopped right into here somehow, and it's got mounting holes on this side and then on that side as well. So we just need to find a plate I'll put over it, plop that down, and then make some mounts. Well, here's where I'm at now. I took this mount off of a go-kart that I have laying around, and I'm going to be using that, and I suppose I can mount it somewhere right here. Unfortunately, I have to put a torque converter. So, you know what, just disregard what I just said. I'm actually just going to make this thing direct drive. This shaft wobbles a lot because I basically just welded it back on there. I think it'll be okay. So I'm just going to line these up, put a chain on there, mount the engine, and then we should be able to mow some lawn. Oh my gosh, this project's so stupid. So here's my quick little motor mount here. Kind of left it open on the bottom so I could reach those bolts down there. You know, we got nice thick steel on this side, and then it's also completely flush to the frame on the other side as well. I'm gonna put that engine on there. I'm probably gonna have to drill out new holes, but that's all right. Well, I got my two motor mounts here. They're also bolted on. What I'm going to do is actually just tack these into place so that I can just end up welding these guys straight onto the frame. Yeah, it should work. I think it'll work. do you think of it?
Looks scary. Don't give me any more ice cream.
Okay, so I just went around and welded all the motor mounts to the frame. Some chain sticks on there. Well, the death machine is up and running. We got some long grass, we got some shrubs. We're gonna try everything out. Let's see how this thing performs. This is probably, 5-foot sticker bushes, and we were mowing through it without any bog whatsoever. It is certainly overkill. Well guys, it's definitely not something I would buy out of Home Depot, but it was still fun to make. And my old mower definitely wouldn't be able to mow 5-foot grass, so it's pretty impressive. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment of what you thought. And guys, I'll see you later. Peace out.